I would say hands down, tried a lot of tools out there on the marketplace. Reclaim is the only one that can actually show me an insight email, and I believe the time that it's telling me that I save. I need to find every nook and cranny in my calendar to be productive, and I need to work with teams across all time zones in the US.
Lots of context switching, potentially.
Yeah, lots of tasks, lots of meetings. I also schedule my habits, so I need at least an hour a day of really deep focus. I was really looking for a place that I could manage my calendar and my tasks in one. I really took the time to make sure that I'm prioritizing my habits, and then I'm also creating customer scheduling links that have those priorities built in. I know that I can have a URL that's for my top customers that are, maybe categorized as a little bit needy, but, need me to respond. I can use that link for them that will give them a wider availability than, one that's kind of in that maintenance customer phase. I love that I can go from my Gmail, and have an email. I can create a task right within there and it'll show up on my Reclaim. I love the weekly emails and insights that I get from Reclaim. I've saved at least, within a day, I would say, 2 to 4 hours of just productivity, which is huge, right?
Wow.
When you think about a work week, I stick to this tried and true response that if I can respond to it within 5 minutes, I'm going to do it. If it's going to take me more than 5 minutes, I'm not actually going to switch from the task that I'm doing today. What did I say? 5 minutes? I might want to re-record that because it's really like 30 seconds. Whatever you guys got going on in the background, when you release an update, truly, I'm excited.